Long board, long pole.
It's a historic event for witnessing a pre-planned fire is breaking out. Exactly 10 o'clock. The alarm have sounded, and we're witnessing the building on. Oh no, the building's on fire! Some devotees are chanting their last rounds.
This is Peter's crazy TV.
Some devotees are remembering Krishna at their last seconds.
I forgot my japa will burn.
You can use mine, Prabhu.
Okay. On the floor. It's got the holy name on it, Peter. Oh. Peter, your scarf can't touch the floor. It's got holy names on it.
That's right, Prabhu.
You know.
Thank you.
Probably. I know.
Join you for a pint of mantra special, yeah. Tiru!
Wow.
Tiru!
What's an event? How's the fire? Did you get hurt?
Yeah,
did you get hurt?
Very nice.
Survived. Some people chanting their last chants. Bomb has just gone off, Prabhu. What do you think?
Yeah?
The fire is burning our holy temple. The pre-planned fire.
Yeah, whatever. Just.
Please get a book.
Yeah,
Save yourself from
We're just asking everyone to chip in.
this hellfire. Wow. Johnny Mai, Johnny.
Where's Krishna and Prabhupada? You've left Krishna and Prabhupada behind. They've left Krishna and Prabhupada in the building. How selfish.
Oh no.
Someone needs to have carried Prabhupada out. Made a bit of effort, you know.
Someone gotta go back. Come on, Frederick.
Get back and save Prabhupada.
Let's save Prabhupada. No, really, let's save Prabhupada. Come on, someone gotta be brave. We must save Prabhupada.
Prabhupada is saved. Prabhupada saved us.
Oh, Prabhupada saved us, we must save him.
No, Prabhupada is saved already. He doesn't need us. We need him.
Yes.
He has to take Prabhupada in our hearts from temple, you know?
They need it.
Always.
It's here. It's here.
Huh?
Yeah? It was shot.
Просто направьте письмо, я все, что есть, прошло, скажите, что нравится, что не нравится.
Didn't you see any fire brigades coming? They're not here yet.
Big Johnson crap.